Honestly, the Anderson, what makes it special, everything else is the fact that it's a double diaphragm positive displacement pump, which there's a lot of people that make diaphragm pumps. There's people that make double diaphragm pumps. Um, what makes us different is, through mechanical advantage, larger pressure side diaphragm and a smaller chemical side, the material gets forced into the line under pressure. And so even if everything's equal, we still have that mechanical advantage. And so with other solutions, you can have wear and tear, you can have pressure differentials that aren't met, you can have different viscosities, different solutions. And with us, it doesn't matter what any of those things are. If it's something you can put into a suspended solution, organic materials, fertilizers, inorganic, organic, nematodes, mycorrhizae, all different kind of things. So doesn't matter how sticky, how viscous, what the density is, whether it's, everybody has limits, right? But 93% sulfuric all day, every day is no problem. Silicas are no problem. Even really sticky things like algin extracts and some of these specialized amendments all go through without any issue.